All right, if y'all don't see an equal sign on 1 through 8, what do we have to add on all those problems? Yeah, so number 1 is really log base 7, 2401 equals x. All right, Navarre, how can we set this one up?
7x equals 2004.
Okay, now, if the left side, guys, is 7 to some power, the right side is going to be 7 to some power. I just don't know what the power is. 7 to the 4th? There is no way other than you guys using your calculator, you're going to be able to figure that out. And just trying numbers. Who needs a calculator?
I need a paper.
Yes, you do. Anybody else need a calculator? You got a calculator? Yep, so the answer is just x equals 4. Now, guys, that's about as easy of a problem as you can have on the test Thursday. All right, anybody got a question on that one? All right, let's skip around a little bit. Number 3 was giving y'all trouble yesterday. Let's see if we can do 3. Log base 1/3 81 equals x. So, Charlotte, can we set that up? How do you set that one up? Very good. 1/3 to the x equals 81. All right, so just like on number 1, we got to make them the same number. Guys, y'all got to make these into the same number. Well, look, this one's already at 3, but it's on the bottom, right? What am I supposed to do with it when it's on the bottom? Move it up to the top. That makes it 3 to the negative 1. All right, now look at the right side. 81, y'all can just look on the board and find out what that equals. 3 to the 4th. What's the answer going to be? X equals negative 4. Now, I'm fine with you guys skipping some steps as long as y'all show me at least one step. All right, so I want y'all to try number 4 right now by yourself. It's just like number 3. All right, so just like on problem 3, I got to bring the 4 to the first up to the top. That's going to make it a negative 1. Somebody help me. What's 1024 break down to? 4 to the 5th. All right, so our answer is negative 5. One West. Test Thursday. All right, so the only other one at the top I think we need to look at is number 6. Number 6, log base 2.25 equals x. All right, what do we need to do first on this one? Y'all got to change this decimal into a fraction. How do we do that? Put it in your calculator, all right? Let's hit 0.25, hit enter, and then if y'all hit this arrow button, what's it give you? 1/4? So that's going to be 2 to the x equals 1/4. All right, y'all work it out. All right, so we got to make these into the same number. Well, I can change 4 into 2 squared. So it looks like that, right? So now when I move it up to the top, 2 to the x equals 2 to the negative 2. My answer is negative 2. All right, so y'all got 4 more problems on the top section we haven't done. Y'all need to do problems 5, 7, 8, and 2, and then we'll check them. All right, these are a little bit different on the bottom. Let me show you how they're different. Let's go to number 9. Log base x 256 equals 2. All right, Weston, can you set this one up for us?
X equals 2.
Yeah. All right, now guys, there's several different ways y'all can do this, but I'm going to show y'all the same way I've been showing you every day. We've got to get the x by itself. Okay, on this problem, when the x is in this spot, you got to bring the x down and get it by itself. How can I get that exponent there to cancel out? You could do a square root, that's fine, but the way I've been showing y'all, Jason, every time is flip it over, remember, do the reciprocal. And whatever you do on the left, you got to do on the right. And that's going to give you the same answer as if you do the square root. So somebody find 256 to the 1/2, tell me what you get. Is that one on the board? It is, but it got erased. 16. Yeah. All right, let's do another one like that. Maybe one that's a little bit harder. Let's do, let me see, I'm looking for the X to be in that spot. So let's do 18. Let's jump to 18 first. I think that's the same type problem. Log base A of 65, 61 equals 4. All right. Is it the same problem? So how are we going to set it up? It'll be
A to the fourth.
A to the fourth equals 65, 61. Now this is one most of y'all can't do in your head. All right, you're going to have to use your calculator. But what do I have to do if I want to get the A by itself? I got to make that 4 cancel out. Well, isn't that 4 over 1 right now? So I got to do the reciprocal, which is how I've been showing y'all. So I got to do 1/4 there and 1/4 there. Now, I know there are some other ways you could do it, and that's fine. But this is how I've been showing it. So somebody type that in. 65, 61 to the 1/4.
9.
Answer's 9? Okay. So those are one-step problems. And it shouldn't be hard. Let's see if there's any more of those that are hard. 21. All right, let's do 21. All right, so it's going to be x to the 1/4 equals root 12. All right, we're going to do it the same way. I want to get the x by itself, Weston. I got to make the 1/4 cancel, so I multiply it by the reciprocal. And whatever I do on the left, I got to do on the right. So you guys just need to type that in. Root 12 to the 4th power. Somebody type it in. See what y'all get.
144.
Everybody get 144? All right, so we just did 3 in a row of the same type. Var, make sure you're watching this now. All right, we just did 3 in a row of the same type. Do we need to do any more like that? All right. Let's do what I think is the easiest problem. Let's do number 10. This is the easiest problem on the sheet. I got log base 18 of x equals 2. All right, when you set this one up, it's 18 to the 2nd equals x. What makes this the easiest problem?
You just have to.
Yeah, look, I mean, it's already got x by itself, Weston. We don't have to move anything. I can just straight type in 18 squared, and I don't know what that is. Somebody do that for me. So the answer is 324. So when y'all get x in this spot all by itself, it's just a straight type it in. So those are the easiest ones on the sheet. All right, the other ones I'm worried about y'all missing are the ones with some square roots. Let's do a couple of those, and I'll let y'all finish this side up. Let's do 13. All right, let's do 13. All right, Tyler, how do we set this one up?
3 with x
Very good. All right, everybody good? All right, so this is a problem just like 1 through 8. When the x is in this spot right here and it goes there, I got to make these numbers the same. All right, well, this one's 3 to the x. What's this side going to be? 3 to what power? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I need to show you. JP. All right, there's an understood 1 right here, Weston, so that'll be 3 to the 1/3, because it's 1 over 3. So now just mark your 3's out, and it's x equals 1 over 3. All right, let's see if there's any other ones with the square roots. Hey, 24 looks kind of funny. Let's try 24. I don't know if it's hard or not. I got log base 26, 6 root of 26 to the x. You guys try that one. That's you following that. That's on the stars. Yep. Yep. Same kind of problem, so I got 26 to the x equals 6 root of 26. Did I mess up? Let's see.
No, that's right.
So I got 26 to the x. How do I change that and make it an exponent?
1 over 6.
Yeah. So my answer is, yeah, okay, that wasn't bad. I thought that was going to be a hard one. It looked funny. Y'all seen the other ones that look funny? 19 looks funny. I don't know if it's hard or not. Let's do 19. Log base 625 of x equals 1/4. All right, so that'll be 625 to the 1/4. All right, my bad. This is one of the easy ones. Anytime you get the x by itself, and this is the x is already by itself, you just got to type in 65 to the 1/4. Somebody do that for me.
5.
5? Okay. All right, I'm going to give y'all about 10 minutes to finish the ones on the front we have not finished. All right, and then we'll do the back, and then we'll go to break. All right, what's y'all's answer on number 12? Just give me the answer. X equals 8. Now, if it's one we need to see, y'all let me know and I'll show it. Everybody good on that one? All right, let's see. 13. Can't remember if we did 13. I think we did. I just did 14. Let's do 15. What's y'all's answer on 15? My sheet says 1/625.
Yeah, 1/6.
All right, do I need to show that one?
No.
No? Okay. What'd y'all get on 16?
1/17.
That's what I got on my sheet. Do we need to talk about that one? All right, right column. Let's see the ones we haven't done. I can't remember if we did 17. What'd y'all get on 17?
8, 2.
X equals 8 is what my sheet says.
8. I have 8. I had 2.
All right. 18 we did. I remember doing that one. 19 we did. What's y'all's answer on 20? Now my sheet says x equals 1/2. Do we need to look at that one? Yeah, let's look at that one. All right. So 20 is going to be 5 to the x equals square root of 5. That's how you set it up, right? Now you make, because that's an understood 1 and that's an understood square, that's going to be 5 to the 1/2. Okay, yeah, I see. Mark out your 5s now, x equals 1/2. Say it again. 17? Let's do it. All right, if y'all good on 20, I'm going to erase it. All right, 17 is going to be x to the 1/3 Sarah equals 2. Is that how you set it up? Now, I got to get the x by itself, so I did the reciprocal. So I just typed in 2 to the 3rd in the calculator and it gave me 8. All right, what's the next one we got to do? Let's see, that was 20. 21 we did. I remember doing that one. How about 22? What's y'all's answer on 22? 1296 is what my paper says. Do we need to look at it? Good. 23, what's y'all's answer? Plug it in real quick, see what y'all get. My number's not. Yeah, I got 64 on 23. All right, 24, I think we did 24. So, all right, these are the answers. Now, after break, I'm going to give y'all a sheet for you to do by yourself. We'll turn it in. All right, flip it over on the back. Let's do the back, and we'll go to break. All right, so on the back, we need to write down our growth and decay formulas. If you guys ever need them, they're right above Tyler's head over here on the board. Growth is y equals a 1 plus r. All right, and decay, I want y'all to write these down at the top of your sheet, please. Y equals a 1 minus r. Are these already on y'all's sheet? Because they're not on mine. So I must have wrote them later. Okay, yeah. Wait a second. All right, this is a complete different sheet. Let me put this one up. That's why y'all got them on y'all's and I don't have them on mine. All right, Weston, I don't know if you've seen us do any of these, but you did it probably in Algebra 1 or sometime. All right, so when you read the problem, Weston, you got to decide, is it a growth problem or a decay problem? So number 1, you deposit $378 in the bank. Anytime you put money in the bank, it's a growth problem. So we're going to use this formula. 378 goes right here for my beginning amount. 378. Let's look. The account pays 2.5% interest. All right, so Weston, I don't know what you remember on this, but if you got a number that's a percent, you got to move the decimal back twice before you put it in right there. So it's 1 plus 0.025. How many years? 11 years. all y'all do is type it in the calculator, so we really shouldn't miss out. So y'all type that in and see what we get.
Only way you can miss that.
495.
Yeah. Well, I mean, a lot of people forget to move the decimal back.
What if you just did how it says,
So I got 378 times 1 plus 0.025.
495.97.
All right, so it's dollars and cents. So we got 495 and 97 cents. Remember, you're supposed to round up if the number after the 6 is 5 or higher. Yep,
Do
Kevin.
you want us to put the unit that we're using?
Yeah, if it's money, just put a dollar sign in front. That's your unit. All right, next one, number 2. Why is it decay? Because it says the snipe population in Waynesville is decreasing, so it is decay. So, what are we starting at? How many snipes? 75. 1 minus what? 0.073. How many years?
8.
All right, that was easy. Plug it in. So 40 snipes is what we got left over. And yes, we should label our answer. 40 snipes. All right, 3. They give us a formula. All right, first they want to know, Weston, is this growth or decay? It is decay. All you have to do is look right here. What about this number right here? Somebody tell me. If it's more than $1, it's gotten bigger, it's grown. Thank you. If it's less than $1, it's decayed. Here you go. So, because it starts at $1 right here every time. So this is decay because it has gotten smaller. How much smaller has it gotten? If you started at $1 and it's now 85 cents, how much did you lose? You lost 15 cents, right? Which is, boom, boom, 15% is what it went down by. So you got to write decay and 15%. Hey, what about this one? I'm going to make up a different one for you to look at. Y equals 75, 1.035. Is that one growth or decay? That was growth. By how much did it grow? By 0.035. Move your decimal point twice, 3.5%. So you're going to have one either like that or like this on the test. All right, let's keep going. Go to 4. All right, this one's a little different. It's talking about money in the bank, so we know it's a growth problem. So I got my formula right here. But it says you got $30,500 in the bank at the end of 6 years. Not at the beginning, this time at the end. So now, Weston, I put it over here. $30,500. And we're going to find out how much they started with on this one. What's my interest rate? So it'll be, 0.065. How many years? 6. All right, so that's what you write down. All right, so what did we do yesterday when we were working this one out? Y'all remember?
You did the parentheses.
Good. Do that part first on your calculator. All right, let's see if we got the same thing. I still got my 30,500. Still got my A. I got 1.459. Y'all check my math?
Yeah.
Y'all remember the last thing we did here?
You,
Good. We got to get the A by itself, so I move over 1.459 and I divide it. So let's do that. 30,500 goes on top. 1.459 goes on bottom. So, if we did it right, I started with $20,904.73. Check my math for me. All right, somebody's going to miss that one tomorrow because y'all going to forget to put it here instead of putting it at your starting number, putting it at your ending number. Not tomorrow, Thursday. That's our test Thursday.
Yeah, JP work back here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, dang, I done missed work.
All right, 5. All right, 5. It says the number of unicorns have doubled. So this is clearly a growth problem. All right, so you guys who were here yesterday should know how to do it. Weston and JP probably not going to know how to do this.
Nope.
All right, how many unicorns are we starting with?
1024.
10, 24. All right, when you double something, Weston, how much are you multiplying it by?
2.
So all you got to do on this problem is put a big old 2 right there. Don't worry about the plus 1. I don't know, I hadn't looked. And the years, got to put a 6. Where'd I get 6 from?
Because it's from 2012 to 2019.
All right, so if it says doubled, you times it by 2. What if it says triple? Times it by 3. What if it says quadruple? Times it by 4. So on this one, you only put the number that you're timesing by, not the plus 1. All right, that's probably going to be a big number. Hang on, let me do it. 1,024, 2 to the 6 is 65,536 unicorns.
That's not how you get these. Most I've ever seen is like 3.
Yeah, I hadn't seen more than 3 in one time either. I was waiting on somebody to bite on that. All right, number 6. All right, y'all do number 6 because it's just like number 4. Y'all should be able to do it. Do it all by yourself, get an answer.